Morning all. So I'm home today and decided to make something that my husband has been asking for, which is going to be 2 tutorials. I'm going to make some liver and I'm going to make some pressed plantain. So here I've already taken the liberty. This is about 3 plantains that I have taken out of its shell or outer covering, whatever you want to call it, or its peel. To do so, I slit it on the side, a very small slit, and I run it in water, and the skin will separate from the plant very easily. And then I went ahead and I cut them into some small pieces. So this is about 3 plantains, and this is the things that I will use to press them once they finish steaming. My cutting board, the plastic, and a clean cloth. And this is the pot I'm going to pour in some oil in there to heat, and I'm going to steam the plantains until they are cooked through to be ordered to press them. I'll come back and show you. Okay, here I am back again. I've put in the oil. You can use whatever oil you want. Olive oil, canola oil is the oil that I use if I don't use olive oil. And I want to say maybe this is a little less than a quarter of cup of oil. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add in my plantains into the oil. That's pretty hot already. You can put in all of them at the same time. And then I'm going to actually cover the pot and kind of turn down the fire. So I want to say maybe a medium to low heat. It depends on how your stove is. I don't know. Everybody's stove is different. And you're just going to let this steam through until the plantain is actually soft inside, soft enough for you to press. When it's finished steaming, I will come back and show you how to press it. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back again. So all of them have been steamed at this point and is now ready for pressing. I already actually have one that I've pressed and is already in the oil frying. I use the same oil that I used to steam press the plantain. So basically you just take a plantain and you lay the cloth underneath the plastic bag on the cutting board and just simply close bring the flap over, so like so. Just bring the plastic and the cloth over, and then you use your hand and you just press with a strong force. And then when you remove it or open it back up, that's how your plantain will come out pressed. And then what you do is you can sprinkle a little salt on it, and then you put it back in the pot, as I have done, to fry. And that's how we do pressed plantain. I will come back and I will show you the finished product. Okay, I'm back. So this is the finished product. This is the last and final video tutorial for the pressed plantain. So this is how they look when they're all finished. They look very pretty and very golden brown, and they taste really good. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned in the beginning that it was green plantains that I used, not the ripe ones, the green ones, to achieve this pressed plantain. So I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope you try it out and you enjoy it. Have a good day. Stay tuned for the next tutorial that will come, which will be the liver, which will be the rest of this breakfast. Have a good day all.